Hey, in front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications from apps of your choosing on this HUAWEI smartphone. Firstly, you need to tap on Settings and scroll down just a bit. Now click on Notifications. From here, you need to scroll down and click on Manage All. Then tap on the switcher next to an app from which you don't want to receive notifications from, in my case, being a browser. And after a couple of seconds, as you can see, all notifications from this app are now off. If you wish to turn them back on, click on the same switcher. You can always select the back button from here and tap on one of your apps over here instead. Then manage all notifications by clicking on this switcher next to Allow Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!